Hello, it's Make16 and this is my first video in a while. I haven't been posting them recently because of a move to a different country. I just recently moved to Sri Lanka. So anyway, here's a quick trick and tutorial on a Rubik's Cube card. So what I'm going to start by doing is shuffling deck and just giving it one more shuffle. Now if I had a spectator get them to pick a card, and since I don't, I'm just going to use the bottom one, so the Queen of Spades. So I'm going to get all the spade cards out of the deck. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and so here I have all 13 spade cards, all in a completely random order, all the time. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and get them back into an order, well, get them into an order at the end. Okay, so I'm going to start, and hopefully, if it's done right, every card will be in order. Okay, so now the tutorial bit, where this trick involves a quick setup. So what you want to do is take one whole suit of cards out. So I'm just going to do it with the spades since I've got them all here. And this is how you want to set them up. So you want the queen face down, then the jack, then you will want the 2, then the 6, the ace, then the 5, then the king, then the 10, 9, 4, 3, 7, and 8. Okay, and you will want to place them at the bottom of the deck. Okay, and now what you want to do is to just shuffle, but make sure, say you can keep the queen at the bottom, and just make sure you don't shuffle it too much. And then on the second shuffle, make sure you take less cards in the pile, the opposite pile to one where the suit that you picked is, and shuffle it in. So now you can do whatever you want to make them pick the suit that you chose. I just did the bottom card. Sometimes I just tell them to think about a suit and just keep cancelling the suits out till they pick my one. Okay, so then this is what you're going to do. So they get your suit, and you're just going to start taking them out, making sure not to change the order, but this time they'll be opposite to how they were put in. I'll explain that in a second. Okay, so before the queen was on the bottom, now the queen's on the top. Basically they're just going to be in the exact same order, just different, basically. Okay, and this is how you're actually going to get them into the right order. You're going to start off by taking 2 cards from the top and placing the deck on top, then 3, then 4, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to take off 3 from the top, make sure not to change the order, then 2, then 3, then 2, then the final last 3 cards. Okay, and just square up the pack. Now what you're going to do is in jog out jog them, and you're going to start like this. And then you're just going to take the cards at the top and place them at the top of the pile. Now what you're going to do is start by putting 1 card down, 1 card to the bottom, 1 card down, 1 card to the bottom, 1 card down, 1 to the bottom, 1 down, 1 to the bottom, and so on and so forth. And then if you followed all these instructions right, you should end up with the ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to make some more videos and for you to see some more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.